Here are the tools and materials required to install this product. Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix off a sheet of Weathergroove. So the Weathergroove sheet's already on the wall, as you can see. You've got 4 options. You can hand nail, you can ring shank gun nail, you can screw, or you can use a stainless steel brad nail. If using a stainless steel brad nail, it needs to be 50mm, but we don't recommend the use of stainless steel brad nail on smooth. It's much better with the natural and the woodsman profiles. You need a full 150 perimeter on the sheet. So that includes on your sides, your top and your bottom. Now the thing is, most of you will know that the Weathergroove joiner is off stud. So the perimeter for the side will be the closest stud to your join. For your noggins, you need to have at least a 25mm gap from the joiner down the noggin. And for your nail spacings on noggins, please refer to your Weathergroove install manual and win tables. Now we can just show you, if Matt comes in, he can show you how easy it is to nail off the Weathergroove. Excellent, thanks Matt.